Hello, my name is RB, part of the discipleship ministry and also part of the prayer team, and this is my wife.
Hi, I'm John, and part of Ministry of the Helps and Prayer Team.
So yung story namin when it comes to family restoration, yung family niya actually,
Like before, we're attending different churches. We're not really united. And whenever they experience or have the difficulties in life, it's really hard to share and solve their problems.
yun nga yung isang malaking naging factor nung pagkakaroon ng different churches. Iba-iba ng revelation. When it comes to learnings, parang hindi nakikita talaga ng isang learnings or hindi magkaroon ng isang topic. Pag nagkaroon ka ng gusto mong i-share na learnings, hindi lahat nakukuha yung learnings na yun. So, in a way, doon mo makikita na parang hindi united. Kasi parang at the same time, walang accountability. Kasi madaling hindi mag-attend ng church since nawala ng mga accountable. Dahil nga, iba-iba ng church, iba-iba ng time.
Here in Wisdom Church, we're together, attending in the same time, same place, and we have this fellowship after the service. Lahat kami, like mama and papa, and all of my siblings and niece and nephews. Lahat din kami nakapag-bonding after the service.
Ngayon na sa isang church na lang tayo, sa Wisdom Church of Manila. Madaling mag-discuss ng learnings, madaling magkaroon ng topic, madaling magtanungan. Kasi hindi lang sa amin, sa mga kapatid niya, pati yung mga pamangkin namin, nadidiscuss yung isang topic. So, nagkakaroon ng flow ng learnings. And doon mo makikita yung harmony when it comes to parang relationship with the Lord. I guess yung number one na maiisip ng tao, parang ano yung seed na ginawa namin. Yung seed, I think it's a form of being available. Before talaga ng church, nag-impart kami ng ministry. Ministry din ni Pastora before. May mga moment na may pinagpipray sila, meron din moment na nagdi-deliverance sila, or may mga kailangan silang puntahan or kailangan na mag-minister. Ginawa naming available yung sarili namin. And I think yun yung naging seed namin. With that, nagkaroon kami ng learnings, nagkaroon kami ng experience, nagkaroon kami ng marami kami natutunan. Na-establish din yun sa family namin na pag meron silang question, meron silang gustong malaman, meron silang gustong tanungin, kami agad yung unang lang naiisip. Naging form yun ng seed. So it's now easy for us to ask or invite them sa church na meron tayo ngayon sa Wisdom Church of Manila. Ito na ngayon yung naging result. Nagkaroon ng harmony yung family na na-invite namin. Hindi lang sila attendee, naging mga leaders din sila, naging part din sila ng ministry. Si Papa sa camera, mama niya sa ministry ng events. Ako din part kami ng prayer team. And also yung mga pamangkin namin, nag-help din sila when it comes to logistics, so mga buhat ng gamit. So everyone has a parang role to play.
We're on the same page when it comes to learning. Madali na mag-explain. And then, marunong na rin sila sa mga principles, power of the mouth, na-apply na rin nila yun. So, everyone nag-excel spiritually.
And at the same time, madali din sa kanilang i-remind yung kingdom principle.
We invite you to join us here sa Wisdom Church of Manila.
To experience God abundant life, not just in finances, not just in health, but also in yung family restoration. Here, makakita ka ng mga stories, makakita ka ng mga testimonies, and probably ma-inspire ka, and one day you would have the insight from the Holy Spirit how to restore your family. See you this Sunday at Wisdom Church of Manila.